In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new form in Freshsales CRM. Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your customer management system, this guide will walk you through the straightforward process step by step. So, let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Freshsales and navigate to the official Freshworks website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Make sure you have your credentials ready, as you'll need to enter them to access your personalized dashboard. Once logged in, look towards the upper corner of the screen and click on the Admin Settings icon. This will take you to a new page filled with a variety of settings and configurations that you can adjust according to your needs. Now, focus your attention on the section labeled Leads, Contacts, and Accounts. Inside this section, you will find an option titled Web Forms. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the Web Forms Management area. In this area, you'll see the option to add a new web form. Clicking the Add Web Form button is your next move. This is where you'll start crafting your custom form that will help in gathering leads, contacts, or accounts more effectively. It's important to give your web form a name that's both suitable and descriptive. This will help you easily identify the form later, especially if you end up creating multiple forms. Next, decide on the type of records you want this form to create. You can choose to create leads, contacts, or even accounts. Additionally, there's an option to create a deal simultaneously with a contact, which can be extremely useful for tracking potential sales. With the basics set, you can now start adding fields to your form. These fields should align with the information you're hoping to gather from users. If you're unsure, start by using fields from the existing lead profile in your CRM. This will give your form a structured foundation to build upon. As you add fields, note that you can customize them further. Make certain fields required if they're critical, or leave some hidden if they're only sometimes needed. To enhance clarity, you can add placeholder text or even tooltips, providing guidance or additional information to those filling out the form. After you're happy with the fields, it's time to add a compelling title and an insightful description for your form. This not only informs users what the form is about, but sets expectations for what will happen after they hit Submit. Speaking of submission, consider customizing the label for the Submit button. A creative or action-oriented label can encourage users to complete the form. You can also adjust the fonts and colors of the form elements to ensure they align with your brand's aesthetic. Finally, take advantage of the preview feature to see how your form will look to users. Ensure everything appears as expected and functions smoothly. Once you're satisfied, click the Save button to complete the form creation process. And there you have it. A comprehensive, functional web form ready to capture valuable data for your business.